Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off comments on a Facebook post. I'll teach you how to do so on both a normal account and on a page. All right. For example, right here, I'm going to go ahead and open up my profile. Now to turn off comments, just go ahead and find a particular post. For example, right here, I'm going to tap on this one right here and the three dots. Now there will be a pop-up. This one, as you can see, who can comment on your post is available. You go ahead and tap on it. Right here, you can see who can comment on your post. Just go ahead and select the profiles and pages you mention. All right. When you tap on this one, unless you mention someone, nobody will be able to comment on your particular post. All right. Just hit on done. And that is it. Now for a page, the same steps. I'm going to go ahead and log into my page. On here, I'm going to go ahead and go to the profile of my page. Now, let's say, for example, this post right here. I'm just going to tap on the three dots again. Tap on it. Now, with the same set of settings, who can comment on your post, tap on it. And in here, instead of being public, I'm just going to go ahead and tap on profiles and pages you mentioned. All right, once done, just hit on the done button and you're good to go. And as you can see here, I've logged into the other account that I have. When I look at the post right here, instead of comment, you will be able to see a message icon instead. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.